Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Born to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can collaborate on Instagram from your PC. First of all, go into your Google Chrome browser and open up Instagram. Put in your login details and you'll be logged in into your Instagram account. And here on the left hand side of your screen you can see an option for create. If you click on this, other two options will appear like post and live video. If you click on post, this pop-up will appear where now you can select any photos or videos from your device to upload into Instagram. After you select any photos or videos, you can see that if you click on next, you'll be able to edit the photo. And again, if you click on next, you now are able to tag people. If you click on the photo, just type in their name and now you'll be able to tag people of your choice on the photo or post you want to post on Instagram account. But here there are no Instagram options for collaborate on our PC because it's just not available right now. It's not available on the site for PC by Instagram themselves. So to use collaborate button, unfortunately you just have to use your mobile phone or mobile device to use collaborate options on Instagram. But you can do other options from your laptop like post videos, photos on your stories and post many more things. But to use collaborate button, you are going to need your mobile device and logging in into your account on your mobile to use collaborate button. Hopefully this video was helpful to you and the information I gave you was helpful. If you guys found that video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video, and feel free to comment down any queries of any other video that you want on our video, and I will make sure to come up with that video on our next one. Till then, see you, goodbye.